guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to talk through something that everybody in this world loves. We are going to talk about making the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. So April means that it's National Grilled Cheese Day coming up, and when I started thinking about what I was going to film for April, I was like, obviously I have to do the perfect grilled cheese. That's when I got the idea to make a really fun grilled cheese shirt. You know, I'll stop the world and melt with you, my lovely grilled cheese of mine. I really can't sing, thank God I'm not a music YouTuber. However, that's when I got the idea to make these really fun foodie themed shirts, and I'm happy to share them with you. There's a link below to my shop. Make sure to check them out and get your grilled cheese shirt as well as some other fun foodie flair. So, as I promised, we are going to learn today how to make the most epic, perfect, basic, but badass grilled cheese. So the best grilled cheese starts with the perfect cheese selection. So I'm a big believer that you need 3 different kind of cheeses to make the perfect grilled cheese. You need a yellow or a white cheddar, you need a Swiss cheese, and you need an American cheese. This combination of these cheeses is what makes a grilled cheese really pop. The next thing that you need when you're making the perfect grilled cheese is some really good bread. You're going to want to get something that's a little bit thicker. I have a nice thick Italian loaf here, a potato bun, anything like that will work. If you've made grilled cheese before, which I'm sure you have because pretty much everybody has, you know you got to be a little bit quick. The important thing is to butter up your bread and then be ready to place it down and stack up your cheese. So we want to have a nice layer of some butter right on corner to corner of your bread. You're going to need at least 2 buttered sides per sandwich, because that is how we're going to make sure that it doesn't stick. You're going to want to warm your pan on medium heat because that's the trick to a grilled cheese. If your pan's too hot, the bread burns and your cheese doesn't melt. If it's too cool, things get mushy, nothing melts, and it just kind of stinks. So medium heat, when you're feeling a little bit of heat coming off your pan, you're going to want to go ahead and lay down your slice of bread. And then you're going to want to quickly lay out your cheese so it can begin melting. I like to go yellow, white, yellow just because I think that's fun. So I'm going to do a slice of the cheddar, a slice of our Swiss, and a slice of our American per sandwich. After that, you're going to take your next piece of bread, have it buttered side up, and lay it on top. That's when the fun part starts. You're going to want to continue to cook your sandwich on medium heat, 2 to 4 minutes on each side as the cheese begins melting. After those few minutes, it's time to give your grilled cheese a nice flip. So just pick it up with your spatula and just get it on down there. And look at that perfect golden coloring on the other side here. Same thing on this side, 2 to 4 minutes until you sense that the bottom is nice and golden brown and your cheese is melted. After that, that's it. And then it's time to cut in and get that delicious cheese pull that everybody loves. And you have right here the perfect grilled cheese. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up and check out our new shop at shopcaitstraightup.com. This grilled cheese is going to be awesome. Make sure to cook yourself up one on National Grilled Cheese Day that is coming up this week. And I will cheers you on that holiday with this absolutely epic grilled cheese and my grilled cheese shirt. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.